Hi there, welcome. A new series, Understanding Karma. We're following on from the work we've done on the teachings of emptiness, and it's from these understandings that we can get access to an understanding of what karma might be and what influence it may have over our lives. I just want to say I'm certainly no expert on this area. All I'm offering up are some ideas that have started to occur to me as I do this work, working on the nature of the mind, the nature of reality, which has changed significantly as I've started to understand the nature of emptiness. So if you haven't watched the previous series that I've just done on emptiness, you might want to do that first. And there's also the Understanding Non Duality series before that, all part of this larger mind training program. And really it's designed to go step by step. Anyway, here we are now looking at the notion of karma. Let's sit in a good posture. Close your eyes. Through the mouth, have a big breath in and a deep sigh. Be calm, relaxed and quiet, sitting peacefully. Taking time. Feel your resting breath, nice and easy, comfortable. Relax into the feeling of that breath. Now let's try to get a sense of flow in the breath. So breathing only through the nose now. See if you can start to lengthen the breath a little. Slowly moving up towards full. And slowly moving down towards empty. Without pushing. We don't want a hard or fast breath. We want a nice and easy light breath that is moving gradually, steadily. Feel the breath moving through your nostrils. It's floating through. So now that the breath is longer, we might get a better sense of the feeling of flow, a flowing breath. And so there's an important part to add here. At the top and at the bottom of the breath, where we change from in to out and from out to in. See if you can create a feeling of continuous flow, as though you come up and loop over the top and come back down immediately without interruption, although of course there is an interruption. Just try to get the feeling of flow, continuous flow as best you can. And so the same at the bottom of the breath. try to loop down and under and coming back up as smoothly as you can. We have the idea that this is almost like circular breathing, if we could use that metaphor, a flowing continuous breath as though without interruption. Last round. When you finish, have a sigh. Feel yourself afterwards with the resting breath again. It runs itself. Get a sense of how you are feeling after that focused breathing. Has it affected your mind? Gently open your eyes. Good. Hopefully we're a little bit more relaxed now. So, karma. Understanding karma. Well, to understand karma, we first need to understand the egoic mind and its compulsive dualistic nature. What does that mean? Well, we have a sense of a me. We have a sense of a me in a world. We have a sense of a body which we call my body, or even at times also me. And then with that sense of me in this world, we have the sense of I need to secure me. I am not safe. I need to make sure that I am always secure within this perceived reality. Then there are things that happen. And these things that happen, we generally relate to them as they are happening to me. And they are either what we want to happen, which we label as good, or not what we want to happen, which we label as bad. And so, for the egoic mind, this is the experience of life in a world. Then we need to understand the teachings on emptiness, in particular the notion of dependent arising. Everything arises dependent upon the labeling mind. We need to understand that what comes up in our life is constructed by us, and what we see is colored by how we see. Close your eyes, relax, have a deep sigh. Feel your body breathing. Relax your mind. Okay, open your eyes again. So, when we look at what happens, well, things happen. But through ignorance, the egoic mind sees things happening to me. This is a huge mistake. And from here, we get stuck inside the goods and bads, not noticing that while A, we are contributing to the storyline, B, we are just a part of the storyline, and C, we are beyond the storyline. I'll try to explain that by using a metaphor. So think of a fish that's swimming along in the ocean, and it thinks that it wants to go over here, but suddenly the currents seem to push it over this way, and suddenly it gets caught in a stream and it ends up all the way over in Africa. Now, if we are the fish, then we think, no, I wanted to go over here and I got pushed this way, and it's good or it's bad, it's not fair, it's all about me. But if we are the ocean, it's such a different experience. We have such a larger story, which brings us to the notion of karma. What is karma? It's energy flowing. It's just energy flowing. Why does karma go the way it goes? Well, energy just flows. So the why only occurs for someone who thinks like the fish, the egoic me. Close your eyes. Have a deep sigh. Relax right now. See if you can feel this me person inside your mind and or your body. This me. It feels like it's there. It feels like its existence is true and real. And there's so much struggle for this me. So much concern. But then imagine around you the whole ocean. And be the ocean. Have another sigh. Okay, and then open your eyes again. So, karma moves through us, and it will also move past us. But if we can stop being stuck in the story of me, become the ocean instead of being the fish, it will certainly flow more smoothly and with less struggle. In fact, the whole experience of reality will become secure, peaceful, and beautiful. Have a deep sigh. That's enough as a beginning. In the next session, we'll look at reading karma. Okay. Thank you very much.